हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आज आपसे मिल रही हूँ इतने दिनों बाद अपनी वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ. सो कम ऑन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, द कॉन्सोनेंट्स. The consonants are the result of audible frictions or stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. प्रोफेसर स्वीट्स की दी हुई है ये डेफिनेशन. So consonants are the result, audible frictions or stopping of the breath in some part of mouth or throat. हम सीखेंगे forms of consonants, arrangement of groups, name of group, consonants, classes of consonants. आज सिर्फ बेसिक होगा आपके लिए मेरे पास. Pair of consonants, size of strokes, everything. जो basics starting से. So this is the first chapter. जैसे कि हम डिस्कस कर चुके, consonants are the result of audible frictions or stopping of a breath in the mouth, some part of mouth and throat. Forms of consonants. First है हमारा like all representation of consonants. Consonants आप समझते हैं क्या होता है? इंग्लिश में जैसे हम A, B, C, D, E, F, G except vowels, it's called consonants. हम इसमें भी ऐसे ही consonants ही मानेंगे. For the representation of all consonants, sounds except way, ye, and h, the simplest geometrical forms are used, name straight lines and the shallow curves as shown in board. So as you see, there's a symmetrical shapes. There's a circle where we see consonants are like this, or like this, or like this. Consonants has been straight lines or horizontal, vertical, straight lines. As you see now come on arrangement of groups. The order of arrangements of each group consonants as exhibited in the table of the following pages follow in the order of oral movement from the lips. Oral movements from the lips inward in the utterance of the respective sounds. The first pair of consonants is PB. First pair of consonants as P. P is a straight line, light line, black forward slash, and B is a darker. It's call it P. This call it B. The pronunciation between PB are the pronounced between the lips, and the next 7 pairs as several barriers further back in the mouth in the succession indication of phonographic alphabets. Now I am discussing the classes of consonants. The first 8 consonants straight strokes called explodents because it's pronouncing them outgoing the breath force in outside the mouth. So a sudden gust that barrier previously closed. The next 8 upright and sloping down or sloping curve. The next 8 represent by the upright or sloping curve. It's called continuants because it uttering these outgoing the breath instead of explained. Sudden is allowed to escape in continuous stream through similar barrier partially open. The nasal. Next class of consonant is nasal. The nasal represented by the horizontal curves are produced by the closing the successive barrier in the mouth against the outgoing airstream so that it has expelled through the nose. The liquids flows into union with other consonants, thus make double consonants as it words stiff, dry, where L and R bends with the preceding consonants. The consonants preceding vowels and consonants or unite with them. The next class is aspirate, is breathing upon the following vowels. Thus, the breathing upon the vowels in the word at. The word changed into hat. Now, I am explaining about the pair of consonants. The first 16 consonants forms pairs. Thus, PB, TD, JJ, KG, FV, ITHD, SZ, ISHZ. The coming on size of strokes. The consonant should be written about 1/6 of inch long, as these pages. It is utmost importance that form the outside the strokes uniform as to length. So as we firstly I put, as you see in board, P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G, F, V, ITHD, S, Z, आगे भी कराएंगे. First of all, you learn this, okay? P is a / light slash. P is a lightened stroke. B is a darkened stroke. T is a lightened stroke. D is a darkened stroke. J is going upward. So lightened stroke. D is a darkened. J is a J. And K is a lightened stroke. G is a darkened stroke. F is a lightened curve. B is a lightened darkened curve. It is a lightened stroke, a lightened curve. D is a darkened curve. S, Z, Ish, Z, M, N, Ing, L, R, Ve, Ye, He. So we put S is the opposite of it, lighten. Opposite, it's a darken, thick. Ish is a opposite of F. Z is a darken. M is a like this. N is a smiley face. Is actually lighten, light. Ing is a darken. L is a upward. R is a downward, or we say ray like this. Ve, Ye, He. Like this, we write like this also. H, aspirant H. Is depend on the vowels, using vowels. So we do in further chapters. Stay connected. Meet you again. Keep practicing. I give you one exercise. Keep practicing, and practice make a perfect man. Next video coming will be soon. Thank you for watching academic full on.